Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a peanut chutney for masala dosa at your home. So this recipe is very easy. No coconut is required, no onion is required. So let's start the recipe. Take a non-stick pan. Here I'm adding half a cup of peanut. So we have to dry roast this peanut. So we have to dry roast these peanuts for 2 to 3 minutes because we have to remove the skin of the peanuts. That's why we are roasting this one. So can you see, after 2 minutes I am removing this skin because when it becomes hot it's very easier to remove the skin of the peanut. So that's why. So while cooking, we have to remove the skin. So can you see? The gas is on and here I am removing the skin. It's hot, but be careful. So I removed the skin. 1-2 is left, it's okay. And here I took half a cup of roasted chana dal. So this is basically a chutney dal and I'm going to add this one also. So we have to add all the things in this pan, then we have to grind it in the blender. And in this I'm going to add some tamarind. In this I'm adding this tamarind piece. I added some red chili powder and here I'm adding some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your peanut chutney. And I'm going to mix all these things and I'm going to add this one in the blender. I put all the things in the blender and here I'm adding some water to make a smooth paste. So for the chutney, the tempering is ready. Here I added 1 teaspoon of oil. I added some mustard seeds, the urad dal, some fresh curry leaves and the hing powder. And this is the must for all the South Indian chutneys. And I'm going to add this tempering in the chutney. So I'm going to add this tempering in this chutney. And I'm going to mix this one. So the peanut chutney is ready and this chutney you can prepare under 5 minutes guys, very easy. So yeah, and this is the side dish for the masala dosa. So here I'm making the masala dosa. So yeah. So here is the masala dosa and I'm going to add this chutney here. I'm going to try. So very crispy dosa with masala. Very tasty guys. Please try this recipe at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.